Ready to supercharge your Kvcore game with the power of video marketing? First, log into your Kvcore dashboard and navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Give it a click. From the Marketing drop-down menu, select Smart Campaigns. This is where the magic happens. Now, look for the My Campaigns section, and then find and click the Add Campaign button. This is where you'll build the framework for your video upload. Under Campaign Type, make sure you choose Single Email, then go ahead and hit that Next button to move to the next step. You'll now see the email editor here. Give your campaign a clear subject line and a compelling pre-header to grab attention in the email body. Write a brief intro to your video. Now, for the main event, in the formatting toolbar, look for the video icon. It usually looks like a play button inside a rectangle. Clicking the video icon will bring up a pop-up window where you can paste the URL of your video. You can upload the video to YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform that supports embeddable videos. Paste the video URL in the space provided. And just like that, your video is embedded into your email. You can adjust the size or placement of the video within the editor as needed. Preview your masterpiece one last time, and then hit that Send or Schedule button to unleash your video upon the world. And that's it. Start creating engaging video content today to boost your presence on Kvcore. Don't forget to use Kvcore video #marketing content in your posts.